Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Diablo, hold on, I can't spell, Diablo Immortal. I think that's how you spell it, yeah that's right. So that's what we're going to do today in this video. Alright, so what you need to do is go ahead and open your battle.net app. Okay, so that's what you gotta do. Go ahead and open it up. Alright, so it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to this options button down here, click on it, and then hit uninstall. And then just hit yes, and then you should be good to go on installing this app today. And if you get an administrator popping up, just say yes, and then you should be good to go here in just a few minutes. And then once that's done uninstalling, it should just say install to your computer. So it's quite simple to do that. Today's to uninstall Diablo Immortal. So the reason why I'm doing these tutorials is because I want to show you guys how to do all these uninstall apps and programs and stuff on the computer. So anyways, I think that's it today, and I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.